Welcome to our channel. In this video, we've curated an exciting list of 19 awesome car gadgets and accessories that every car enthusiast would want to have. Whether you're looking to enhance the efficiency of your car trips, stay connected while on the road, or simply make your driving experience more enjoyable, we've got you covered. Introduction to the latest and greatest car gadgets. Discover the Bayou Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit, a comprehensive wireless solution that includes a wireless car vacuum, phone charger, inflator pump, high-pressure car wash gun, and portable lighting. This all-in-one kit is designed to make cleaning, inflating, washing, and more a breeze, ensuring your car stays in top shape. Stay connected and informed with the Smart Display. Our featured Smart Display connects to your phone via Bluetooth, allowing you to access your favorite navigation apps and receive instant notifications and texts while keeping your eyes on the road. It's a convenient and safe way to stay connected during your journeys. Monitor your car's performance with the Racebox Meter. The Racebox Meter provides valuable insights into your car's performance, including acceleration, quarter-mile times, lap timing, and more. Whether you're a racing enthusiast or a daily commuter, this device helps you track and improve your driving experience. Understand your car better with the OBD11 device. The OBD11 device connects to your car's OBD2 port, offering a suite of system diagnostics and performance monitoring. With the power of Bluetooth and an intuitive Android app, you can gain valuable insights into your vehicle's status and address potential issues. Simplify loading with the DropRack's roof rack. Say goodbye to the hassle of loading gear onto your car's roof. The DropRack's roof rack lowers the loading space to waist level, making it easy to load and unload your equipment. Its customizable roof bars suit various uses, from work to leisure, and it can handle up to 175 pounds. Keep your car clean with Miss Accuracy, the robot car vacuum. Miss Accuracy is a compact yet powerful robot car vacuum designed to keep your car spotless. Its impressive suction power ensures a thorough clean, and it's equipped with a range of nozzles to tackle even the trickiest corners and vents. Protect your car with the car tent. The car tent acts as a shield, attaching to your parked vehicle to protect it from weather damage and dust. It also helps keep your car cooler in hot weather, reducing harmful emissions from a heated interior. Enjoy a refreshing shower with the Yakima Road Shower. The Yakima Road Shower is a portable pressurized water storage system that attaches to your vehicle, providing a warm shower or bike cleaning solution during your adventures. It's solar-powered and holds 4 gallons of water, ensuring you stay fresh on the go. Relax in comfort with hammocks that easily attach to your pickup or RV. These versatile hammocks can be effortlessly installed on the back of your pickup or RV, providing a comfortable spot for fishing, napping, or simply enjoying the view during your outdoor adventures. Track your vehicle with Tracky. Tracky is your reliable vehicle tracker that helps you locate your car with ease. Simply attach it underneath your car, and you'll have access to real-time tracking on 4G LTE with worldwide coverage, providing peace of mind in various situations. Transform your Tesla Model Y for camping with the Frugal Camper Kit. If you're a Tesla Model Y owner who loves outdoor adventures, the Frugal Camper Kit is a game-changer. It adds functional utility drawers to your vehicle's rear hatch, creating a cozy sleeping space and allowing you to make the most of your travels. Inflate your tires quickly with the Northshire Mini Tire Inflator. The Northshire Mini Tire Inflator may be compact, but it delivers powerful performance. With rapid inflation capabilities and smart features, it's a handy gadget to have in your car for emergencies. Stay organized with the Steering Wheel Organizer. This organizer conveniently fits most steering wheels, providing space for your laptop, office supplies, and snacks. It's a practical solution to keep your car tidy and efficient. Breathe clean air with the IQ Air Atom Desk Personal Air Purifier. The IQ Air Atom Desk Purifier responds to your touch, instantly producing clean air wherever you place it. Say goodbye to airborne pollutants and enjoy fresh air during your car journeys. Keep your car clean with the Car Trash Bag. Say goodbye to clutter and keep your car tidy with this versatile car trash bag. It attaches easily to your car's headrest or center console, providing a convenient storage solution for your garbage, cups, toys, and more. Add a refreshing scent with the Turbo Air Freshener. Easily eliminate unwanted odors in your car by attaching the Turbo Air Freshener to your air vent. It features a rotating mechanism and aroma filler to keep your car smelling fresh. Ensure your snacks and drinks stay cool with the Homey 12-volt refrigerator. The Homey 12-volt refrigerator is your perfect companion for road trips. With its spacious capacity, it can store all your snacks and beverages. Plus, it switches between Eco and Max mode for efficient cooling. Enhance your safety with the ONO Co-Driver. The ONO Co-Driver is an affordable and user-friendly device that keeps you updated on speed cameras and road hazards in real time. It acts as your reliable co-pilot, providing audible and visual alerts to help you stay aware on the road. Elevate your pet's comfort with the dog car seat. If you love traveling with your furry friend, this dog car seat is a must-have. It provides a comfortable elevated view for your pet while keeping your car clean and organized. Conclusion, and thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering these incredible car gadgets and accessories. If you found something that piqued your interest, don't forget to check out the links in the video description for more information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.